Okay, we have here jersey number 12, dribbling the ball, pass to Mr. Lawan to number 12 again, 15 seconds to shoot to Mr. Rapirap. Rapirap attempt, and it's a 2 points from the team GLQ. Okay, we have Patrick to Pipito. Pipito, ito kapula.
Grabe na nga Paul, hawi do.
Anjek!
Attempt.
Laway Paul ya, ate. Nato noon Paul.
There's a foul, we call it. Jersey number 25, Mr. Francis Tumites. Third personal foul.
Dapat mo doon sa kaduwara mo.
We have Lawan to Mr. number 1. To number 12 wala. And there's a foul. Let's follow it up. Jersey number 12 from first personal foul, second team foul. Our score is 34-42. 52, sorry. 52. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Ala! Nakuratan!
Okay.
Ay, nakuratan! Sige!
Okay, we have Suarez. Suarez attack. 2 points by Suarez.
Pipito!
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 Okay.
Ay!
It's a 2 points by Lawan. Okay, we have Patrick. Patrick, nakita ko pustahan. We have Pipito. So Mr. Pito standing on the shoot.
Nice one! Nice ka, boy! Hey!
There's a foul.
Alayuan
Taking
na
foul,
naman!
Mr. 25, Francis. Warning for foul out, Mr.
Nice ka, sis!
Team captain.
Napay duwa. Napay sa
Team
duwa.
captain. There's a substitution.
Dapat siya duwa.
Yodeng, sunod na!
Ipasulod si Nagat!
Wala kilo. Wala sa ring.
Oh! Grabe na yun.
4 minutes, 48 seconds.
Ay, di kumpiyansa.
Okay, we have Pitos. To Pipito. 15 seconds to shoot.
Boy!
Dancer ka ba?
Boy! Boy, wag ka nagsama. Dancer, mali ka.
Number 18, Mr. Lawan. Committed. Third is an foul. First team foul. Okay, Pitos to Patrick. Patrick holding the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes 25 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot.
Yante.
Time out ang NHA.
Uy,
Our
kumpiyansa.
score is 56-40. Again,
Paninggit mo ba?
56-40. At ang oras last 4 minutes and 8 seconds.
Di namin mo cheer sa inyo ang dula.
8 seconds.
Ha, di namin mo cheer sa inyo ang dula.
Salot!
Di namin mananaw sa inyong championship ha.
Okay, let's go back to the game.
Jig!
Time for the timeout.
Jig!
Sunod si Butong!
Jig! Gikan pa kag lumbia pero di gikan ka cheer.
8 seconds.
Pag-cheer ba? Gikan pa kag palalan pero wag gikan ni cheer.
Okay. Number 6. We have
Oh! Paulo!
Pito. Pipito.
Paul naman na
Mr. Lawan. Committed. Third, second, fourth warning for foul out, Mr. Lawan. Second team foul. Okay, reserve, substitution. For the NHA. For the last girl, Mr. Pipito. Standing on the free throw line. Substitution, 1 point for the NHA. And the score is 57-40 in favor of NHA Saints. We have number 1. Number 1. It's a lost ball. Last 3 minutes, 34 seconds.
Ito lagi. Ito. Dananoon ka. Sige.
Okay, we have Francis.
Goal.
3 minutes, 30 seconds. To Patrick. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 4, nakuha ni Dubuan.
TL sa Feng.
Bola
PL sa
sa
Feng.
NHA. 3 minutes, 13 seconds. Remaining shot clock, 3 seconds.
Good!
3 minutes, 3 seconds.
Isang paunta ni mo pa. Isang pa para mo.
Okay, Pipito bumawi. 2 points by Pipito. 3 minutes, 53 seconds. Ganyan, no good. To Mr. Pitos. To Patrick. Patrick to Mr. Francis to Patrick. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. For 3. Pick na.
Char lang.
3 minutes to 20 seconds.
Practice to kay para championship.
With number 12.
Lolo, ala! Grabe, why warning?
2 minutes, 10 seconds. Our score is 44,
Paunsa.
59. Who's following? Jersey number 12.
Tanawa lang, good.
Masnyal committed. Service na foul. 13 pa. Substitution. 2 minutes and 4 seconds.
Ang naka-pink, si Francis yung gakanon, kanang naka-blue, si Bibo yung gakanon kung nana diri sa pikas.
Sige, lapit.
Ay, ate.
Okay. It's a back four.
But short
Last
that.
3 minutes.
Plo. Plo. Yung plo.
Wala sab. Ay, wala dahil. Tura dahil.
Ang target
Okay.
Hey! Nice one!
kay si Francis. Ang
And
target
it's out of bounds. That's 1 minute and 57 seconds. Patrick to Francis.
Hey, your smoking is the smoking of the world.
1 minute and 50 seconds.
Bisalo man, bisalo.
Oy! Wala oy! Inato to gabi eh! Dili to pwede technical!
Okay. Remaining shot clock is 16 seconds.
Sa nakatanaw gabi eh! Magkatawa.
Ipasalog si Butong.
10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Okay, there is Mr. Dumont, defensive foul.
Ang target ni Pink kay si Francis. Ang target
Team
ni
foul. Warning for
Boy.
penalty.
It's a!
1 minute and 57 seconds.
All na sa do. Wala, lalong daan!
It's a 2 points. Penalty.
Wala, wala, wala!
Penalty.
Wala, not counted. Lalong
Not counted.
counted.
Okay, not counted.
Ay, balik ang...
Not counted. Buwang
Yeah,
ingon na
that's
referee
okay.
oh. Ingon
Not
siya oh.
counted daw.
Not counted.
Penalty situation, dito to na foul. Mr. Duguan.
Wala!
Wala. Not counted.
Nice kaya, isa pa.
Target ni Pink kay si Francis. Target ni Blue kay si B-Boy.
Okay, it's a 1 point. Babante. That's 1 minute and 34 seconds.
Okay. Kila time, please.
Tabok, yate. Tabok.
Pipito. Taduguan. 15 seconds to shoot.
Kapit na kuyawan. Awit
Pipito,
oh.
1 minute and 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Oh,
Okay,
Saro.
bola sa NHA. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Remaining shot clock is 14 seconds.
Inyong score.
Pila score?
10 seconds. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Okay. Palagan.
5 seconds. 4, 3,
Oh, igo
6
ring.
na. Nakuha ni Lawan.
Oy, Kwaboy! Nice
Last 1
one.
minute. Nakuha ni Pipito.
Nice one.
Okay. Substitution rep.
Go. What may dead bull rep? Good
53
na to.
seconds na lang. Last 53 seconds.
Good, good, good.
Our score is 61,
Hala, travel.
45. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. 2 points. Pitos. 35 seconds.
Isa!
ladies and gentlemen. 30 seconds. 2 points. Lawan. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Patayan.
15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Okay, what's the threat? 5 seconds violation. 10 seconds na lang. No more shot clock. 5,
Nice one.